Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about earn crypto by simply holding. If you're still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. You may have heard that to make money in the cryptocurrency market, you need to know everything there is to know about it. You might have thought about trading cryptocurrency to make some extra money, but this market as a whole is very volatile and it's not easy for a beginner to know when to place an order. Most of the time, you end up losing even more money. A beginner's only other way to get more crypto is to hold on to it. No, by increasing. I don't mean increasing the value, but rather increasing the funds in your portfolio. There are a lot of cryptocurrencies whose value goes up just because you keep them in your wallets. This video will show you how to make money with cryptocurrency by letting it sit in your wallets. Hold on as it goes up. The technology that makes cryptocurrencies work is very complicated. Not all of them work in the same way. A process called proof of work is used to confirm that a cryptocurrency transaction took place. In this method, complicated math problems are used to confirm cryptographic transactions. But this isn't very effective, so they came up with a solution called proof of stake. Users who have cryptocurrency investments in their wallets are the ones who verify transactions. In exchange, they get a small amount of the same cryptocurrency as a reward. So it adds to what you already have. There are a lot of cryptocurrencies that can do this. NEO is one of these cryptocurrencies. Users who keep NEO in their wallets are given NEO gas. To get the reward, you must keep the cryptocurrency in the official NEO wallet or in a digital currency exchange wallet. Putting your NEO in private wallets like the Electrum wallet won't help you in any way. Almost all cryptocurrencies that use the proof of stake model work the same way. COVEX token. COVEX is also giving its users free tokens just for keeping them in their wallets. The value of the COVEX token will be very stable if you do this. Since you will be holding it on the COVEX exchange, you will also be able to trade it for other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. So, this helps you get free Bitcoin. We already know that the value of cryptocurrency goes up over time because we've seen it happen in the past. So if you keep your coins in your wallet for longer, you not only get more cryptocurrency, but you also have a very good chance that their value will go up. So the bonus is increased. To help you even more, COVEX is giving all early users who joined early during the ICO period a 30% bonus. You will also get 20% more for each person you bring to the platform. So, for someone just starting out, this is a gold mine full of chances. Everyone who has invested in cryptocurrency will love the chance to make money just by holding on to it. There are already a lot of digital currencies that work in this way. COVEX has just started to compete in this race, and the work we are doing is meant to affect as many traders as possible. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.